Pluga, a leading brand in manufacturing and distribution of water pumping solutions, established since 1987. We are a premium manufacturer and exporter of submersible pumps and motors in wide segments with world-class performance through state-of-the-art manufacturing facility located at Industrial Estate GIDC Savli, Vadodara, Gujarat. We are the first manufacturer to introduce Noryl pumps in India through the design collaboration with the German company Pluga for hygienic drinking water supply. Today we are a part of Franklin Electric, a USA company, globally recognized as the world's largest manufacturer of submersible electric motors for movement and management of water and fuel. We are among most preferred brand by millions for high-quality durable pumps and energy-efficient motors in agriculture, domestic, building construction, solar and fuel applications. Every Franklin Electric employee make decisions based on our key factors for success: quality, availability, service, innovation and cost.
Pluga Pumps and Motors Private Limited is more than a 3-decade-old organization.
Our wide product range includes sand-friendly submersible borewell starting from 3-inch to 8-inch and monoblock pumps like open well and agri monoblock for grid or solar-based agriculture applications.
Due to the quality and brand richness, Franklin Electric, a US-based company, shown keen interest in Pluga and acquired in 2014. Today, we can proudly say that we are 100% subsidiary of Franklin Electric USA.
Our compact and durable surface monoblocks, multi-stage pressure booster pumps and hydro-pneumatics system are widely used in domestic building construction segment. All product is being offered in high-quality cast iron and stainless steel material with 100% copper rotor used in motors instead of aluminium.
Franklin Electric is a global company with a turnover of $1.4 billion, known in the world for its best encapsulated motor design with a tested duty cycle of 2.2 million. We at Franklin today manufacture more than 5,000 motors per day with maintained safety and continuous improvement and offer the best value to our customers.
Our design is clamping arrangement type designed with stainless steel tie rods being used. This unit also facilitates us in bulk production without compromising the quality. Our dedicated team for design and manufacturing are equipped with latest design software and best-in-class machineries. Our in-house quality assurance unit maintains global quality management system by appointing ISO qualified suppliers for raw material and with stringent quality control procedures to deliver unmatched product to customers. We use 0.5 to 2.5 mm coil lapping wire with high efficiency and layer winding for perfect coil looks and winding shape. We are using TIG welding process, which gives a robust strength to our product.
Being a part of Franklin Electric, we have also entered into fueling pumps. From last few years, we have also ventured into solar pumping. Solar water pumping is one of the biggest initiatives by Government of India.
Our well-established packing and tracking system ensures safe transit from distribution depot to dealer and even at remote locations. Our dedicated testing facility with high-precision test and measuring instrument. We have world's best solar simulator for capturing real-time test results with auto-generated test reports. Quality management at Pluga means quality of products, quality of process and quality in safety. We assured and quick after-sales and service through our authorized service centers, ensuring minimum delivery time through local depots and strategic tie-up with best logistic partners. Today, Pluga, a company of Franklin Electric, is a global leading supplier of submersible pumps and motors with wide network of dealers in agriculture, industrial, construction, domestic, solar and fuel segments. Pluga Pumps and Motors Private Limited.